How to install Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers app. So here is the app, and I recommend to use the app because there is a really cool deal here in the app. It's called like clicking for chicken. So skip the line, order your favorites in just a few clicks, pay it for your phone, and then yeah, I guess you can get app only deals in this app here. So that's just what you have. The only app you'll ever need to order are one low quality chicken finger meals. So that's the idea, and then you can just open it up. Oops, something went wrong, but basically here you have it, and then you can just sign up, create your account, and yeah, just start using the app.